Welcome back to another video. As you can see from the title, today we are going to be doing an unboxing. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so as you all may or may not know, I have the MAcbook Air either 2016 or 2017, and my husband went today and he bought the newest edition, which is the MAcbook Air 13-inch 2019 laptop. Like, just off the bat, I could see that this is way more compact than my 2016/2017 version. So let's get into this unboxing, shall we? Oh, look at this, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is the laptop. These are smoky gray looking.
Space gray.
Yeah. It looks like a space gray / smoky gray because it looks darker than my own. And it comes in packaging. So we're going to take that off now. Yeah, I was correct, it's darker than mine. Ooh, look all here. All the GT. Okay, so as I was saying right off the bat, like right here, the thickness right here is way less than mine. I'll show you mine in like a little bit, but the thickness here is like way less, so it's more slender. And this looks like a headphone jack. I like to think it is. But on mine, I have I have 3 USB jacks and a headphone jack, as well as the charging port. Okay, so on this one, it has USB-C. So it's a type of USB, but they're the bougie one now, boy. So we're gonna open it up. Oh, pops! And this is how it looks. So it comes with a booklet. All I know, nobody don't read these things. And it also comes with the charger. So the charger is way smaller than my charger. As I said, I'll show you all just now. And his charging cable looks like a cell phone charging cable. So that's his charging cable. And let me see, when you pull it up, it's going to pull up. That is it. Oh shucks, that is it all here. So it comes with the charger and the booklet. Alright guys, so on the left is the 2017 MAcbook Air and on the right is the 2019 MAcbook Air. As you all could see, there is a drastic difference in size with these two products. The 2017 one is a bit bigger than the 2019 one. The side profile of the 2017 MAcbook Air is in fact a bit thicker than the side profile of the 2019 version. The 2019 version is way more slender and way more compact. Alright guys, so these are the computers next to each other and the size difference is even more obvious. So the keypad on these both devices are different. The 2017 version is your generic normal keypad. However, on the 2019 version, there is a fingerprint sensor to the right hand corner and the enter key is very different. Another difference on the both of them is that on the 2017 version, it has the charging port, 3 USB outlets, an SD card reader, and a headphone jack. However, on the 2019 version, it just has 2 of the USB-C ports and a headphone jack. Alright guys, so the last thing I want to bring to your attention is the difference in the chargers. So on the left hand side is the 2019 charger. As you can see, the cord is like a phone charger and it has the type C USB adapters, and the charging block is way smaller than my charging block. And my charger is all connected. There's no portable, nothing. Everybody's together. My charging head is different to the 2019 one, and yeah, my charging block just big. They made some really good adjustments. So guys, that's the end of this review. As you all know, I am not no technical person. However, when my husband bought this laptop, I was like, yo, I need to do a comparison between the two. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you all guys think down in the comments.